kum ga jingshim khia lor ka jingkio jingki priyo ki bayo kampang no khnyang covid-19 khamtem e baki babon ki de na nongba Shillong umintri rangba ka jilaw konrot ke sangma ulalum ya ga jingalang ka bakar pang bat ki nyongot ki MLA ki baha ba po uput usam jong ka sor Shillong hakba kile ther bat ya ai jingmut kumno banya da no niu khnyang jingpang habakran chikilat pathai kubor usumbut mentri rangba ka jilaw ba prestun tin song ulong hakani ga jingalang umintri rangba ula kentu ki MLA bakin kentu shabaro ki pajma bahap apo constituency jongki ban ayu tika yada covid new vaccine habaki MLA ru kila ai ka jimunjur shushu ula pentep pakawai ka rai ka deru ban peteng ban pentai kami ki constituency covid management kabla thau house nem baladap haki constituency baro.
I just wanted to inform all of you that our honorable chief minister today has invited our honorable MLAs of Shillong constituencies, where almost all the 7 MLAs attended the meeting. And in the meeting, the government has requested all the respective local MLAs to also share the responsibility with the government by requesting each and every individual in and around Shillong that they should get themselves vaccinated at the earliest possible. So that is the point number one, where we already discussed with the honorable MLAs, and all the honorable MLAs has also agreed. And the second point was relating to the reactivation of the constituency COVID management committee, which was already notified during the last year, and then again we already decided to reactivate these committees in the respective constituency, where they will have a regular review meeting in the level, and in case if need be, they will accordingly inform the government for any necessary help from the government relating the fighting of the COVID-19. So these are the two issues where we discussed, and I'm so happy to inform to all of you that all the local MLAs of the Shillong city are also together with the government in fighting against the COVID-19.
So can you share what some of the suggestions given by these MLAs?
Well, that's what, see, ultimately there are so many suggestions made, and we were talking even about the entry point. We have already told them that yes, the entry point now, we decided yesterday, I've already briefed all of you, that from the entry point, from today itself, any person entering the state of Meghalaya needs to go for the RT-PCR test. And then number two, we got the suggestion made by the honorable MLAs today that we need to create more room in the entry points for collection of the samples of each and every individuals who enter the state of Meghalaya. And that also we agreed, and then we are going to strengthen wherever necessary for the manpower of the entry points. Few decisions were taken yesterday, and one of them is from 26th up to the 2nd of May, we are going to close down the non-essential shops. Non-essential shops will be closed down from 26th up to the 2nd of May. And by doing this, I'm sure movement of people to Shillong will be reduced drastically. For essential, see, it's like this. In fact, for essential commodities, not only Shillong shop are there, you get everywhere. Even in the village level, you do have the essential shops everywhere. So I'm sure, because see, this one, what I'm trying to tell you is, our request from the government is what? Yesterday, I've already mentioned very, very clearly. I requested on behalf of the government that people who's thinking of coming down to Shillong unnecessarily, please stay away. Avoid coming down to Shillong, because the spread and the virus is so centric in Shillong agglomeration. And today also we got the cases not less than 180, not less than 180. And then, only from the Shillong agglomeration is not less than 120. So, the trend is not that good. So I request once again on behalf of the government, all the citizens of the state who intends to come to Shillong, which is avoidable, please stop. Which is avoidable, please stop. Don't come. And make yourself safe. Better you stay back in your respective places in different parts of the state. See, I don't know, can you please tell me what is the percentage of those people who get positive after taking 2 doses of injection? In fact, right now we don't have that, we don't have that figure. That's why we insisted them. One is you have to go for injection, number one. In case if you get, maybe after the first dose of vaccination, maybe tomorrow or the after tomorrow you get the positive case. You become a positive case. So when you become a positive, let me just tell you one thing. What happened is the impact of the virus is reduced. You don't have to go to hospital. Because see, nowadays it's so dangerous because people, they must be having a prolonged illness in different ways, whatever. So by taking the vaccination, the impact of the virus is reduced drastically. Therefore, I'm saying once again, I would request all the concerned citizens of the state, please get yourself vaccinated. Whatever you say, please get yourself vaccinated. Don't just be diverted your mind by anybody who will tell you that no, if you do this, if you go for injection, you may get complication or this, that. So I'm just telling you, I would like to be blunt. Nothing will happen. Please make sure, get yourself vaccinated.